Alright, we got the head all put back together. We got the mouth attached and it's working good. You know, I keep my pieces numbered because I work on more than one at a time, so I don't want to get them mixed with something else, with other pieces. So what we're going to work on now is we're going to work on our putting our headpiece on, or our wig. And I'm going to be using this here, this piece of fun fur, or fox fur, whatever you want to call it. First thing I did was I measured around here on how big of a piece I needed. And then I also measured down here, and then I cut this square to what I need. Also, I put a line here so I know where I want the base to be, which we want it to go like that. So what we'll do is we'll flip it up like this and staple it to our line. That way you won't see this edging on the when you're finished. And then we'll make sure it's centered here. An inch. So we're going to staple this on. And we staple it on in case you ever have to take the wig off to get inside, because you need your access here to be able to get inside. You take these two screws out, this will come out, then you can get inside if you ever have to repair your string or your spring or something. Put one here. You just want to keep going from side to side till you get it where you want it. Okay, well, so now that we got that piece, now we can pull this over and bend it down where it goes. And you can see we don't have that line showing in there. We need to put a staple in here. There's that one. And, oops, that's not what I wanted. Yes, it is. And we'll put the other one in right in here. Now we can pull it back down where we want it. Now we have our headpiece on. It's fitting pretty good. So what we want to do now is we're going to trim all this in here, trim it off, so we don't want it to be too thick. We got to trim this all down, trim a little bit off the back here because it's a little too long for this. So we'll cut all this off. We'll trim this down in here and then staple it, and then the head will be done. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.